Right, so now we are starting 1.2, adding integers. Our learning goal, I can find the sum of positive and negative numbers. So for your warm-up, I wanted you to do this on your own. So if you haven't, pause the video and do that quickly, and then come back and join me in the video. All right, so first we have vocab practice. So we just learned what an integer is, and we said that an integer is a whole number and their opposites. So that means that they're positive and negative numbers. Skills practice. So it says, think if you owe me $1 and then give me $1, how much do you owe me now? We owe $0 because I owed them $1 and then I gave them $1. So now I don't owe them anything. What math problem can represent this situation? So if I owe them $1, that means that I'm in debt or negative $1. And then I give them $1, so now that's going to be positive because I gave them, so plus $1. And now I owe $0. So knowing this, we know that when we add two numbers that are opposite, their sum is 0. So -1 and +1 are opposites. So when you add them together, we get 0. So that leads into kind of what we're doing.